One thing you need to understand about care settings, especially in the nursing home, the long-term care facilities, we need to understand that this is their home. So paramount in our care is respect and to appreciate and acknowledge the fact that this is their home. So a lot of time people forget that. We see it as a place of work. So we go in there just, with disregard to their space, to their dignity, to their privacy. You need to understand that when you step into a long-term care facility, wherever it is practiced, that this is their home. So you are there because they've given you permission to be there. So that's very important. And you're going to see that always come up in a lot of the questions you'll get in your exam. It's all about privacy, respect, dignity, and rights. I always tell people this: if you're not sure what rights the patients have, think about yourself. What rights do you have? If you have those rights, they have it too. They're not in prison. This is their home.